Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create Calendly account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is to go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now, as you can see, you have some options here. You can either go in the top right corner and click on the login option to log in if you already have an account, but today we'll be focusing on how you can actually go and create one. Basically, you can click on Get Started, which is in the right top right corner also, or you can go down here and click on Sign Up with Google or Sign Up with Microsoft. But you have another option, which I will be personally using now, and that's Sign Up Free with Email. No credit card required. I'll be clicking on that one because I want to use my email. Now here, as you can see, you have the option to go and type in your email, which I will be doing now. Then when you type your email, everything that you need to do is go and sign up. But you can, as you can see, also return to the other two options of sign up with Google, sign up with Microsoft, or login. But now let's just click on sign up. When you click sign up, just need to wait a few seconds. And there guys, again, they will ask you the easiest way to sign up with Google is automatically connect your calendar so you can start using Calendly right away. You can do it like that again, or prefer to create an account with a password, you can just click here, which I would like to do. Here you can enter your full name. And guys, this is not my personal name and surname. This is just something that I have here for the sake of this video. When you created your password, just click continue and wait for your account to be created. You can go and do whatever you want here. And here you'll have, as you can see, a mail sent to you that you just need to activate your mail to your account. Go to your mail and activate your account. So guys, that's everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like it, share it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.